Alright, today I'm trying out the 4K 120 FPS slow-mo on the new iPhone 16 Pro. I am in my office right now, and this is going to make a mess, so hit that like button if you think this was worth it. iPhones have been able to shoot slow-mo for a while now, but this is the first one to be able to do it in 4K resolution. And if you have it plugged into an external hard drive, it can even do it in Apple ProRes. I was a little disappointed to find that only the main 24mm lens can shoot 4K 120. Though all three of the rear-facing cameras can still shoot slow-mo video, but just only in HD and not 4K. Alternatively, however, when filming in HD slow-mo, it does have a higher frame rate of 240 FPS. If you like creative filmmaking and the tech related to that topic, then consider subscribing. I've always got more content coming. In the meantime, you can watch some more of my videos over here, and I'll catch you in the next one.